Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate oats cookies. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then, gently fold in 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats. This combination forms the delicious base for our cookies. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect aroma. Now, let's bring it all together. Gradually add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Then, fold in 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. This ensures even baking. Finally, it's time to bake these delicious treats. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are set but the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade chocolate oats cookies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.